Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes slow performance issue after update on Windows 11,10 fixed. First step is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. Second step is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Windows Update Service, stop the Windows Update service. Open File Explorer, click C Drive, open Windows folder, open Software Distribution folder, delete all folders and files. Start the Windows Update service. Third step is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type SFC /scanno. Type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Fourth step is type Disk Cleanup in Windows search bar, click Disk Cleanup. Select all and delete files. Fifth step is type Disk Cleanup in Windows search bar, click Disk Cleanup. Click Clean up System Files. Select all files and delete. Sixth step is type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Boot, click Advanced Options, change Maximum Processor. Click Startup tab, click Task Manager. Disable all unwanted startup apps. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.